Oh my goodness, y'all, did I come right back to a heat wave? Hi, I'm Healy. Welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. Join the Natural Haircare Jury. Share your thoughts on hair, skin, and body products, DIY, and more. And remember to read the description box for occasional surprises and additional insight into each video. Now let's get into today's upload. Alright, this will be just a quick video. I have returned from my road trip. We'll take a quick view of the backyard and let's see what that's looking like after almost a month. Alright, we're going to start with the aloe vera. If you remember that the stalk with the seeds on it, I actually cut that and I brought it with me on my road trip to give it to somebody to see if they could start aloe vera of their own. Again, the sun is not necessarily working with me, so I can't see what I'm recording. And of course, y'all know I'm walking the thin line, so if I fall in the pool, don't laugh. But these are my aloe vera. This is how they look. They look like it's been a heat wave. You see, like it's a lot more brown. They still healthy. They still have a lot of thick leaves. And this is the plant. If you can kind of see, it might look a little sparser. I actually took about, I don't know, maybe like 8 leaves from this plant to take with me on my trip. So that's why this one might look a little smaller, look a little more sparse than what it did before. Y'all, this concrete is scorching and I'm here with no shoes on. Here is the cherry tree. And like I said, overall, everything is just looking sparse and brown and dry. I did come out and water everything earlier this morning, but as you can see, it doesn't take any time for all of the water and everything to dry out. I think we still in the heat wave. I'm in the southwest, and my road trip was to the south. So our apples, I see more apples. Y'all know how it is. We ain't gonna get too close, but I see more apples. Some of them look bigger than, oh my God, what is that? Oh Lord, y'all, I gotta get back. I see something. It look like, I think it's is that a grasshopper? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to zoom in. It is camouflage, but how did I see it? I don't know. If this is close enough for me to zoom in and show you, oh my God, it is fungus like grasshopper or something. Y'all, my scary eyes be on the lookout. I don't know how I saw that, but I did. This morning when I was watering this cherry tree, you see how those leaves are kind of like orangey brown? If I could zoom in, I'll show you how some of the leaves is on. Oh, there it is. It's the orange grasshopper. I'm gonna zoom in. Well, I'm gonna try to zoom in after that. Y'all, now we got orange grasshoppers. We got brown grasshoppers. We got green spiders. Y'all, it just ain't safe. It is not safe. What is a gardener gonna do? Can I survive, y'all? I don't know. All of my lemons, y'all, they stay dried up. I'm really just gonna have to take like these probably the next month or so and try to nurse this back to health. Now it's just now October. And it's gonna be warm here for at least another month or two. So I have some time to try to revive my yard and, you know, make a little bit something of it. This is the other cherry tree, and y'all can see like almost all the leaves is gone. They're down here on the ground, and that's because they've been so hot. The weeds is surviving though. Of course, you know the weeds always gonna live. And let's see what the garden is talking about. Probably not. Y'all, look at the tomato plant. Look like I got a little something trying to grow right there, but nah, I don't think I'm gonna do nothing with that. One surprise I see though, y'all remember the green bell pepper? Look how big it is. I'm gonna be cooking something this evening. I might have to use that bell pepper for that. It looked big enough to pick. And look here, I got a flower or two on the yellow bell pepper. Thai basil got pretty purple flowers. The curly parsley is looking good. Y'all, the zucchini plant, that's it. That's done for. Rosemary is surviving. Sweet basil is surviving, and with flowers. That's how you know that's doing pretty healthy. The lemon thyme and the lemon balm are both doing well. This is what I have left of the watermelon. Now, I came out here earlier and I could have swore I saw a little bulb of a watermelon, but the plant is obviously very dried out and I'm gonna have to nurse it. I don't see it now, y'all, but I could have swore earlier I saw, oh look, there it is right there. You see that? A little pea-sized watermelon with the ants crawling all over it. So I'm gonna see what I can do with my apples. Look at some of my apples down there. Something was eating them. I can't get too close because, so one apple is gone. I got two others. I cannot believe that big old brown grasshopper. And I hope that I was able to zoom in close enough, you know, for you to see. I can't see it from this angle. I got some nice sized apples on the tree though, but who ain't picking them off? And my lemons, like I said, y'all know when I left they looked about the same size. So we gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna water the trees twice a day. Water the aloe vera probably once a day. See all of these brown branches off the orange tree? I need to break them off. And my understanding is if you kind of scratch the bark, it helps to stimulate growth. So we're gonna try that. You know what I'm saying? We gonna do a few things. But y'all, this is too hot. I can't. My feet are scalding and burning. But I do this for the jury. I do this for y'all. All right, y'all, I'm gonna finish the video right here. I'm just sitting on the floor in my, what is this? Like the dining room area, just taking the light from outside. So right on the other side of me is the backyard. Of course, we got people doing work outside, so you know it's gonna be some noise. I started to get in the pool and do the rest of the video treading water, but I saw one wasp and that was it. Yo, why is my backyard so dangerous? It can be so beautiful, but it can be so dangerous at the same time. So I went on my road trip. I took the Tesla from the Southwest to the Deep South, and the drive was near perfect. The only thing that was a little kind of shaky was the construction. In addition to the cameras and the sensors and all that kind of stuff, it uses the lines painted on the ground to help stay in the lane and help switch lanes and stuff. So along the construction areas, they either didn't have any lines painted at all, or they had lines painted over other lines. So it caused a little bit confusion, but no worries. I just took control, got through those construction areas, and then put the car back on autopilot and full self-driving. Staying alert with my hands on the steering wheel at all times. No, I didn't sleep for 40 miles and the car took me where I needed to go. That's not true. That's not safe. And people who manipulate autopilot and self-driving vehicles to do stuff like that, you mess it up for the rest of us. So if you have a automatic pilot or full self-driving car, please follow the rules. Don't mess it up for the rest of us. September was a high of highs and a low of lows for me. And I've been trying for several days to get on camera and just do a quick video like of any kind. Sometimes when you don't have that positive energy or that positive motivation, for me, I can only speak for myself. I don't want to come on camera just being like very sad. Now, I'm not gonna fake the funk. I'm not saying I'm gonna come on camera and always be 100% happy and chirpy and all of that kind of stuff. No, I don't do that. But I also don't want to come on camera just bringing like the whole mood, you know, of the video and the environment down, because everybody is going through their own situations and stuff. And I don't want to contribute additionally to what challenge or situation you might be going through. Now, I think if I can bring you more joy and laughter, high spirits and stuff, like, I'm all about that. You know, I definitely want to do that. But if I'm feeling a certain kind of way and I can at least bring you like a level or attitude, then I will wear the weight until I can at least bring you level energy. And I feel right now, even though y'all know we got grasshoppers, so even though the seeing the grasshoppers and stuff and the wasp or whatever, you know, that might have brought a little chuckle, a little jiggle while I was fending for my life. I hope y'all got a little entertainment. You know, I want to bring you like high spirits, or at least like level spirits when I can. Sometimes I will be sad, and sometimes I might talk to you about it. But for the most part, at least for right now, that stuff I just, you know, I want to keep to myself. Thank you very much for those of you who write to me and kind of check up on me. I do, you know, I appreciate that. And it made me feel good. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I mean, you know what it is, like 140 of us now, which I'm just so happy about, because not that long ago, it was just 121, right? And speaking of that, I have the packages ready for the giveaway. Those will be going out tomorrow. Y'all, I gotta tell you, please, you have to look at the description box in my videos. I will tell you. So for my first giveaway, there were 7 opportunities to win the giveaway. 7. So 4 of them I spoke about with the 4 groups of products. So that was 4 opportunities. Then there was 1 opportunity for the bonus question. What number of subscribers do we have to be at for the next like publicized giveaway? And that is 255, right? When we reach 255 subscribers, that will be the next publicized advertise. I'm gonna do a video on that giveaway. So 255. Keep that number in mind. But in addition to that, so that's 5 chances right there. But in addition to that, there were actually 2 more opportunities for 2 specific people to win products. And that was the person who got me to 100 subscribers, and then the person who got me to 121 subscribers. So that was 7 chances to win something. And I'm actually sending out 4. But of those 4, only 2 were from the original 7. So please read that description box. It's not going to be every video. And I don't even want to say it's going to be a specific time frame. But just check the description box, because you never know. And I might just wake up one morning and be like, hey, I want to send this particular person products. Or I might be watching some videos and somebody might be using some products, and I'll be like, you know what, hey, I want to send that person some products. There is, it's going to be a mystery, and it's going to be a surprise. The advertised giveaways, those, you know, will have rhyme or reason to them. And, you know, I'll do a whole video, explain the whole process, the rules and all of that kind of stuff. But more often than not, it's going to be giveaways that I don't discuss at all. All of the communications is going to be in the description box, in the comment section, and then emails, you know, between myself and the winner. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.